Hey beautiful people, I'm Courtney. Welcome to my channel. Today I got a super anticipated video that I have been wanting to do for a super long time now, and that's to review Slime Obsidian's slime shop. It was so hard for me to get my hands on these slimes. I've been wanting to purchase from his restock for a long time, and I always get there like a tad too late and they sell out so fast. Even with these slimes, like I had trouble getting all the ones I wanted because they sold out before I could even like enter all my information. So I was able to snag some of his slimes. You guys have been requesting this so much, so I'm really excited to do an unboxing. I really hope you enjoy it. If you're excited, smash that like button and let me know in the comments down below who you want to see me do next. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. The very first thing I always like to do is talk about packaging. So this package came packaged really nicely. Nothing broke, nothing leaked. Everything was very secure. It had bubble wrap and some packing peanuts. And also he sent a ton of extras. So I got some extra borax, instructions, an airhead, and also this like baby bottle pop with pop rocks. It was really cool. I thought this was an awesome like size for a famous slime shop. The only complaint I have with the packaging is like these are both 6-ounce slimes and they're just in different packaging, and yes, he did state that on his listing. I just think it's good to have like a standard packaging for one size or the other, whether it's the deli containers or like the U-line ones. It doesn't matter to me which type it is. I just think it's good to be consistent, but that's just like a little thing that I kind of like to do. Anyways, this first slime is called Twilight, and look how beautiful it is. It is such a beautiful metallic-y blue slime, and it has some glitter in it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I was trying to get like a cool thumbnail picture there. But anyways, this slime was unscented, and I did have to activate it quite a bit. It is summertime, so it definitely needs some activating for clear slimes usually. But for some reason, no matter how much activator I added to it, it kept sticking to like the palms of my hand. It was great on the table. Like it was amazing for popping noises, but it kept sticking to me, and my hands were moisturized. So I don't know, this one was really weird. I didn't have any problems with any other slimes, but this one just kept sticking. So I just stuck to playing with it mostly on the table, and it worked totally fine. It didn't like stick to my fingers, but I think the color and consistency of this was so beautiful. It was so nice and thick, and I just really love the color combo. This next slime was also a 6-ounce, and this is called Peach Cloud. And oh my gosh, you guys, okay, so this reminded me of like the cloud slime I got from OG Slimes, but better. It had like that thicker consistency, like a little more stiff, but the one I got from OG Slimes was like super thick and stiff, but this one was like the perfect cloud slime. It was amazing. It had such good drizzle, and it just had an amazing effect to it. There was no fallout, it wasn't sticky, and it still had a ton of stretch to it. So it's actually, I realized that I got almost like the exact same color as the OG Slimes. Maybe I should have picked something a little bit different, but I was like in a rush before everything sold out. But this slime, I cannot say enough good things about it. It was absolutely amazing. The smell was on point. It smelled just like peaches, and it just was an amazing cloud slime. It had a great like holdable texture, great drizzle. I can't say enough good things about it. These last slimes are part of the key lime duo, and I ordered this so fast. It was so funny. I didn't even realize that this was a duo. So when I got two, I was like, oh my gosh, I was so excited and happy. And they're both scented exactly like key lime. They smell really fresh and light. This one is a very like thick, putty, but still super stretchy, and it has some like marshmallow foam beads in it. The other one was a little bit darker green and was a cloud slime with some Fimo slices in it. So they were both super cute, and I'm gonna mix them together just for fun in a little bit. Of course, you could keep them separate. And I think I forgot to mention the prices for all these slimes. So these were like 3 separate orders, so these 2 counted as one. So my total price for all the slimes shown in this video were $43, which comes out to about $14 per slime. and that's $14 for these two 4 ounces. So I think that was really good. That price includes shipping. So I think his prices are super, super reasonable for a great quality slime. Okay, I know I'm like rambling over all the ASMR pieces, so I just wanted to give you guys like all the information, do more of a review, because for these I like to do less ASMR, more of a review, because that's what it's for. Anyways, here is the other part of the duo, which also was an amazing cloud slime, and then I'm gonna mix the two together. So I'll be quiet now and let you guys enjoy the ASMR of all of them. If you made it to the end of this video, you're part of my hashtag super squad. It should be like hashtag secret squad. It is a secret though for like everyone who makes it to the end of my videos. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're still here, still watching, and it's not clicked already, because I have been posting 4 times a week. I've been posting a ton, so I really hope you guys have been enjoying that. So thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you very soon. Bye!